Unlock the future of Windows app development with Deepseek. You're a iPod partner for building intelligent, efficient, and visually stunning applications. Our journey begins with code generation. Simply describe the functionality you need in plain language. And Deepseek will intelligently translate your requests into clean, efficient code. This means less boilerplate, more focus on innovation, and a significant boost to your development speed. But efficiency isn't just about code. Deepseek also excels in UI design. Imagine effortlessly crafting beautiful and intuitive user interfaces. You can provide design concepts or specific elements, and Deepseek will help bring your vision to life, ensuring a seamless user experience. Now, let's talk about intelligence. Modern applications demand intelligent features. Deepseek empowers you to integrate advanced capabilities like natural language processing, smart data analysis, and predictive functionalities, making your Windows apps more responsive and user-centric than ever before. By leveraging Deepseek's comprehensive suite of tools, from code generation to interface design and intelligent feature implementation, you're not just building apps, you're elevating them. Experience a new paradigm in Windows app development, where creativity meets unparalleled efficiency. Start building smarter, faster, and more impactful Windows applications today with Deepseek.